In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a domain from the Lovable AI website, providing you with a step-by-step guide to delinking your domain. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully disconnected your domain, freeing it up for any other applications you may have in mind. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Lovable AI website by typing in Lovable Dev in your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you've arrived at the home page, ensure you're logged into your account. This sets the stage for smooth navigation throughout the process. Now with your dashboard in front of you, it's time to pick a project. You'll see a list of your projects displayed once you're logged in. Choose a specific project from which you want to remove a domain. Each project houses its own settings, so selecting the correct one is vital to ensure you're making changes to the right domain. Next, once you're in the project's main interface, look for the File drop-down menu. You can usually find this in the top navigation bar where other main menu items are located. Clicking on this will reveal a list of options related to your project management needs. After clicking the File drop-down, your next step is to select Settings. This is generally a universal area within many platforms where you manage project-specific details, including domains. Clicking on Settings will take you to an interface that houses various tools you can use to modify your project's specific features. In the Settings section, navigate over to the Domains tab. This area is specifically dedicated to managing domains associated with your project. Once you're in the Domains section, you'll see the list of all domains linked to your project. It's designed to be intuitive, so finding your domain here should be straightforward. Now, for the final step in this process, locate the Disconnect button next to the domain you wish to remove. This button is your gateway to successfully delinking your domain from the Lovable AI platform. Once you click on it, the confirmation will process and the domain will be disconnected. Remember, once you've delinked your domain, check your project to ensure everything is operating as expected. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to removing a domain from the Lovable AI website. This process is not only straightforward but speaks to the versatility of managing your online presence. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time, happy domain managing.